So what's cool about cooking at Farm and Wilderness is how much creativity you can have as a cook. Like, our menus are not set, and we ask our cooks every summer, what do you like to make? What do you want to learn to make? That mindset has resulted in some spectacular meals. And we're really proud of the fact that we don't have fryers in our kitchens and that everything is made from scratch. And when you're starting with that means you can just do cool things. I can even think of this one time our head cook, Panda, made this insane ramen bowl. He had worked in restaurants in Manhattan and wanted to bring that to our campers. And so we planned for it for weeks, finding ways to save money in other areas so he could splurge on this meal. Oh, the pork was so good. I can't believe it was a camp meal. And kids loved it, and Panda was proud of what he accomplished. And, we want our cooks to be able to do that, bring what they love and create epic meals. Here, your creativity is definitely encouraged.